Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit boards on Pinterest. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Then tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Open the board you want to edit. Tap on the 3 points at the upper right corner. Tap on Edit Board. And this is the place where you can edit your board. You can change its name, you can add a description, you can add collaborators if you tap on the plus icon. You can set whether you want to keep this board secret or not, and you can set whether you want to show pins inspired by this board in your home feed or not. And you can delete this board. When you are finished with editing the board, then tap on Done at the upper right corner. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye!